So a lot has been said about how very beautiful the Yoruba language is, how very poetic, very metaphorical, philosophical, and all of these things are very true. But very little has been said about how very funny the language can be. There are some words that when they come to mind, I just laugh uncontrollably. Because who came up with a word like jedi jedi? Jedi jedi. That translated to English is itinyash itinyash. Abati alapa. Polukuru mushu. The language can be very funny. The word can be some of the words that we have. So I have here a list of Yoruba words that I consider very, very funny. Words like jegudu jera, uke rudo, akiriboto, iṣu atayanyan, kunkundukun, agunmaniye, alaparutu, jomijoke, alagabagebe. The words sound funny. Alagabagebe, ọ̀tẹlẹ̀múyẹ́, balùwẹ̀, ikuku. Like, there's a way the words sound like what they actually mean. When you hear ikuku, oseminigbo, gbewiri, shibashibo, akarabata, jagidijagan. There's one in Shawori there. Abati alakpa gbangbati eziri odidimode. Alagabagebe. Agbesumomi. A marauder. That's what that means actually, by the way. A marauder. Rogbodiyan. Jegudujera. Obayeje. Obileje. Alakpandede. Gbewiri. Olosa. Agbari ojuku. Agbari ojuku. Adigunjali. I like how detailed the words are. Very detailed. Adigunjali. That one is not a robber. That's an armed robber. Ẹni tó dì fún ogun lọ jalè. Ó dira bí ẹni lọ jagun láti fi jalè. Adigunjali. Just see the details. Làpálàpá. Akílápá. Adárúgùdù sílẹ̀. A troublemaker. Adárúgùdù sílẹ̀. Polúkúrúmuṣú. Agunmaniye. Ilé ìgbọ̀nsẹ̀. Waransesa. Mo fẹ́ lọ kábọ̀ ní Waransesa. Agboma bí wọn. The list of funny Yoruba words is endless, actually. Please, I want this comment section to be filled with a lot of funny Yoruba words. The ones that you can remember, put them in the comments. Wàá ṣe.